In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product order and sorting for Shopify collections. First, we'll adjust the order of products inside a collection from your Shopify admin. This controls how items are arranged at the data level, which is especially useful if you want a specific sequence or to highlight certain products. From your admin dashboard, open Products, then Collections. Click the collection you want to edit. In the Products section, look for the Sort dropdown. Here, you can choose a built-in order like Best Selling, Price, Low to High, or Product Title. These options let Shopify handle the ordering automatically based on sales performance, pricing, or alphabetical name. If you want full control, choose Manually. With Manual selected, you can click and drag products to place them exactly where you want them in the list. This is great for seasonal features, new arrivals at the top, or curated rows that fit your brand story. Take your time to arrange the items, then make sure to click Save to apply the changes. Without saving, your adjustments won't stick. Next, we'll make sure your storefront displays the order you just set. Go to Online Store, then Themes in your admin. Click Customize to open the theme editor. Navigate to a collection page, either by using the page selector or by clicking into a collection preview. On the left-hand panel, find the section that controls the collection layout, often labeled Collection or Product Grid. Inside these settings, look for an option named Sort or Default Sorting. This controls how the collection appears to your customers. To respect the manual order you created, set this to Manual. If your theme offers Collection Default, choose that to follow whatever sorting you configured in the collection settings we adjusted earlier. This ensures that the display on your storefront matches your admin setup and avoids the theme applying its own automatic order. A few tips as you finalize things. After setting Manual or Collection Default, use the theme preview to scan your collection on both desktop and mobile to confirm the order looks right and the most important products are visible above the fold. If you don't immediately see the Sort or Default Sorting option, the wording may vary slightly by theme, but it will be in the collection or product grid settings. And remember, anytime you change manual order in the collection, that update will reflect on the storefront as long as the theme is set to manual or collection default. Save your theme changes, and you're done. Your collection order is now clean, intentional, and consistent for customers.